How to reduce lag in Meccha Chameleon. So the first time I downloaded this game, I immediately noticed the latency lag between the mouse cursor. And the way that you would fix this, not only the mouse cursor, but latency in this game in general is just bad. The way you fix this is you go to the graphics. And for me, what it was is it was set to the maximum FPS of my monitor and the VSync was turned on. What you need to do is turn VSync off and increase the frame limit about 20 FPS or 30 more than what your monitor frame rate is. So mine is 60 Hertz, so I'm gonna do like 82 and turn the VSync off. This already cut our latency, I think, in my opinion, by half. I can just feel it by my mouse. However, there's another performance boost, I should say, that's possible to do. So make sure you open up Task Manager. Then let's go to Details. And let's try to find... So here it is, Penguin Hotel. I think this is it. There's no... Why is it called Penguin Hotel? What? But the game Penguin Hotel kind of looks like Meccha Chameleon. It's actually the exact same. That's crazy. They probably forgot to change the name of this. But yeah, it is Penguin Hotel. So let's just go to the set priority. And then make sure you select real time. And let's do this for both of these, because why not? And there you go. But now if the lag that you want to solve it isn't performance and it's actually your internet connection, let's just go back, find server, find public server. And by default, for some reason, it's always set to North America. So if you're from Europe and you're not from North America, you should select Europe here and then search for public servers. And now you will get servers where you have better ping at. Also, if you want to reduce lag, the amount of players that are playing greatly impacts the game. So try to avoid servers where there's more than about 13 people playing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.